I'm making guys indifference curve. So guys, on x-axis I have kept units of commodity A, and on y-axis I have kept units of commodity B. Now the schedule guys that I made that day in the previous class of the four baskets, basket 1, 2, 3, and 4, that you all have in your registers, in your notebooks. So in the first basket we have 50 units of A and 10 units of B. So by making a point corresponding to 50 units of A and 10 units of B, the point will come somewhere here. Then 40 units of A and 20 units of B, the point will come somewhere here. Then 30 units of A and 35 units of B, it will come somewhere here. And then 20 units of A and 55 units of B. This is how we have the 4 points that I have made here. By joining these points with free hand, the curve that we get is like this. And this is guys indifference curve. If I use proper scale guys, the curve shape that I will get would be slightly like this. That is convex to origin, means bent towards origin. So if you see guys, this is bent towards origin, like this. Have you understood guys or not? I'm asking all. Guys, I hope you all can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you understood this, the shape of indifference curve, right? Like it is like
Yes,
this,
sir.
like this. It would never be like this. No. The one that I made like this in green color, I'm not good in drawing here. This one, the green one, this is concave to origin and not convex to origin. The blue one is convex to origin, that is bent towards origin. And our indifference curve actually is convex to origin. Why, we will soon understand this, guys. So you all guys make this fast. This I have made with the help of the data of the schedule that I made that day in my previous class. Have you made this, guys, all? So at this point, guys, we have 20 units of commodity A and 55 units of commodity B. At this point, we have 30 units of commodity A and 35 units of commodity B. At this point, we have 40 and 20 of the two commodities. And at this point, we have 50 units of commodity A and 10 units of commodity B. This is our basket 1. This is basket 2. This is basket 3. And this one is basket 4. Now, what does indifference curve convey us is that any point on the indifference curve gives the same amount of satisfaction to the consumer. So whether he chooses basket 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, he will have the same amount of utility or satisfaction out of each of these 4 baskets. And that is why we call it indifference curve, because a consumer is indifferent across these 4 baskets as far as level of satisfaction from each of these baskets is concerned. I hope you all have understood this, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. So make this graph as I have made it here, guys, and let me know once you are done with this. So guys, next thing that you need to understand is indifference map. Indifference map, guys, is a collection of indifference curve on the same graph. So it is collection of more than one indifference curve on the same graph. It is made with more than one indifference curve where each curve is made up of different combinations, that is baskets, comprising different units of the same two commodities. For example, a consumer is offered the following sets of baskets containing different units of the two commodities. Do not write anything, guys, just understand this. What I explained is that indifference map is collection of more than one indifference curve. It means indifference map is made up with more than one indifference curve where each curve is made up of different combinations, that is different baskets, where each basket comprises different units of the same two commodities. Have you understood this, guys, or not? Okay. Even if you have not, let's understand this here with an example. Like this is set 1, where we have four combinations of the two commodities A and B. Each combination of basket has different units of the two commodity. Consumer is asked to rank them according to his satisfaction. He ranks them equally. It means with this data we can make one indifference curve. Now this is set 2. Here also there are four baskets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here also we have different units of the two commodities in each basket. Like this is set 2. Here also the consumer has given the same rank to all the four baskets. Set 3. I hope guys you all are with me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's say these three sets are offered to a consumer. Each set has four baskets, where each basket has different units of the two commodities, the same two commodities A and B, and he is asked to rank them or order them, and he ranks each set, means each basket and every set equally. So with this one set we can make one indifference curve, with this set we can make other indifference curve, with this we can make some other indifference curve. Have you got this, guys, or not?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
asking, guys. One minute, guys, huh? I need to change this data, guys. I'm sorry for this. Yeah. So in each of the sets, guys, you can see that units of commodity A are decreasing from one basket to another, and units of commodity B are increasing from one basket to another. Like when we move from basket 1 to basket 2, units of commodity A have decreased by 10, units of commodity B have increased by 10, right? And this is happening further also. Here also, units of commodity A are decreasing and units of commodity B are increasing, and the same is happening here also. Now, since the consumer has given equal rank to all the four baskets in each of the three sets, with these three sets, we can make three different indifference curve. When we make them on the same graph, we call it indifference map. So our indifference map would be looking like this. I have made here three indifference curves, right, from three different sets. Have you understood this, guys, or not? I'm asking all guys, have you
Yes,
understood
sir.
what is indifference map?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, guys, start noting it down from here. Guys, here we have three IC, that is three indifference curves, IC1, IC2, and IC3 with set 1, 2, and 3 respectively. So, guys, next is properties of indifference curve. Indifference curves are downward sloping from left to right. They are so because to gain each of the combination offered to or available to a consumer should have lesser of one commodity and more of other commodity as compared with other baskets. Note down this, guys, and then I explain you this point.
Done, sir.
Guys, for example, these are the four baskets which are shown to a consumer, where commodity A's quantities are not decreasing across four baskets, but commodity B's quantities are increasing. In that case, obviously the consumer will give the highest rank to the one which has the maximum units of the two commodities, that is basket 4. And then he will give rank 2 to basket 3, rank 3 to basket 2, and rank 4 to basket 1, which has the least units of the two commodities. So to have equal level of satisfaction from all the four baskets, if units of one commodity is increasing, units of others must decrease. And that is what is happening everywhere. You can check it out. And since this happens, when units of one commodity increases and units of other commodity decreases, when we make a curve, obviously it would be left downward sloping from left to right. Are you understanding this guy's point or not? I'm asking guys, have you understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell once again?
See, we are discussing why indifference curves are downward sloping. If you see the blue color curve, and I am marking a point here and the other point here,